Baby Diaper Clutch Bag, water-resistant, lightweight, by Baby Bumco is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Wristlet. Just grab and go. This diaper clutch features a convenient wristlet. The wristlet is made of fox leather. The silver or gold hook allows you to wrap the clutch around your car seat, stroller, or onto your diaper carrier bag. The back includes a zipper pouch which is great for baby poop bags like the manufacturer's diaper changing glove sacks. Refillable wipe holder. Buy a box of baby wipes in bulk, and then use them to refill the reusable wipes pouch included with the clutch. Fun, portable size. The manufacturer's diaper clutch will fit nicely in your diaper bag or tote without taking up much space. It will act as a diaper bag organizer insert, keeping your cleaning wipes, diapers, and other belongings tight and compact. You can also store it in your car or stroller. Baby Bumco's diaper clutch will cover all your infant toiletry carrying needs. It measures 10 inches by 7.25 inches. Not just for mommy. Men love it too. Great for dad to grab when he takes the baby out. Attractive design. Stripes are a classic, timeless pattern that also looks modern. This striped clutch will match a myriad of diaper bags. You can also carry it by itself thanks to the convenient fox leather wristlet. This clutch doubles as both a mini diaper bag and a fashionable accessory for women. Add this cute clutch to your diaper bag supplies today. Durable material. You carry your baby's toiletries with you everywhere. That's why you need a dependable diaper bag. The manufacturer's diaper clutch is made from 100% polyester. Its sturdy construction will give you years of use, making it long-lasting. It is also easy to clean. The clutch is machine washable. Just remove the straps, and toss it into the washer, and you're all set.